Addressing his fellow public servants, President Bongbong Marcos reminds elected barangay and sangguniang kabataang officials to be honest at all times and put the welfare of their constituents first.
Maging tapat po tayo sa lahat ng oras. Lagi po nating unahin ang kapakanan ng sambayanan, sapagkat sila po ang dahilan kung bakit nais nating magsilbi sa bayan.
Citing the report of Commission on Elections Chairman George Garcia, Marcos notes that the polls have been peaceful overall despite reports of election-related killings in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao.
Ngayon po ay nasaksihan natin ang isang matagumpay at mapayapang barangay election at sangguniang kabataang election. Napakahalaga po ng inyong papel sa ating lipunan. Isang panibagong pagkakataon na naman po ito upang makapagserbisyo sa mga Pilipino at sa ating bayan ng buong puso at higit pa sa abot ng ating makakaya.
The barangay and sangguniang kabataang elections were held on Monday for the first time since May 2018.